Daozang from the 22nd of the 8th month of 1446. How can we ever know the Tao if it is improbable to even completely read any of the four Daozangs? It is possible to regulate the heart and vitality toward better aligning with the Tao. A state religion often needs to turn to restricting an alleged delegation of divine power. Visions bring about new organizing of the numinous substance and hours. Unions are found among competing with the external, and commentary flourishes. There were lesser canons of perfection, mystery, treasure, and the distinguishing spirit. The Ming had the lasting and proliferating version, but the most that people can usually do is look at the summarizing of Taoism. And the Daozang is thought of as three caverns. And one of the versions of a Taoist canon has a side branch of spirit. And that's what I mean by that.